Good day, lovely viewers, and you are welcome to the channel. Today is another great day from the Lord. In this episode of the Sunyani Outer Ring Road project, we revisit the Watchman area, where several houses built along the official road alignment have now been vacated by their tenants. Using the drone camera, we capture a clear aerial view showing that most of the buildings once occupied are now empty, with roofs, windows and other materials removed, as former occupants relocate to start life elsewhere.
Good afternoon. I'm Mother Canana. Thomas Mumu. Hey! And there's a man there. That's the man too. Everywhere. Oh, it's that way now.
This development serves as a strong reminder of the importance of verifying land documents and road reservations before buying or building a house. Many of these affected properties were put up without proper checks from the Lands Commission, Town and Country Planning Department or Road Authority, leading to their eventual demolition. And the consequences are loss of homes and investments for affected families, emotional and financial burden of relocation, and community disruption and unfinished structures left behind. Before purchasing land, always consult the Lands Commission for proper site plans. Check with the Town and Country Planning to confirm zoning and future road projects. Seek help from licensed surveyors and land lawyers. Avoid buying land too close to major road corridors or government-acquired lands. The Sunyani Outer Ring Road project continues to reshape the city's landscape, bringing new infrastructure, but also lessons on proper land acquisition and urban planning. Thank you.